blue, yellow, pink, green, teal, orange. Have you ever thought about why sapphires appear in so many different colors? That's actually very common. Most people don't even know what sapphire truly is. Today, we will discuss the real reason behind these colors. First, sapphires belong to the mineral species called corundum. The corundum is made up of aluminium oxide. Chemical formula Al2O3. Now you may wonder, how does an aluminium oxide crystal become colorful? It is because of tiny impurities inside the crystal. These impurities are called chromophores. Chromophores, or trace elements, absorb some colors of light and reflect others. So the color of a sapphire depends on which light the crystal reflects. Different impurity elements absorb different light and reflect different colors. For example, blue sapphire. Traces of iron and titanium absorb yellow and red light and reflect the blue color. This is the simple reason how the color of sapphire appears, and each color has its own scientific explanation behind it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gemstone and geology content.